You were not a coincidence. You were an answer. A sacred whisper from the cosmos, a prayer heard across dimensions, a light destined to shine. Your journey, dear soul, is etched in starlight, a tapestry woven by divine hands. The angels say your presence here now is no accident. You are a key, a catalyst, a beacon for a love that seeks its way home through you. You carry a unique frequency, a resonance that calls forth what is truly yours. This connection, this profound bond you yearn for, is not merely a wish. It is a preordained encounter, a sacred contract waiting to unfold. The universe conspired for your arrival, for your heart to beat this rhythm. You are not just living, you are fulfilling a divine purpose, a mission of love that began long before this moment. Feel the truth of this deep within your bones. You are chosen. You are loved. You are the answer. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. What may seem like a delay is actually God preparing you. This quiet space, this season of stillness, is not a void but a profound period of gestation. The angels whisper that within this silence, seeds of destiny are being nurtured, and foundations for a lasting love are being established. Do not confuse the absence of noise with the absence of movement. Beneath the surface, currents are shifting, hearts are aligning, and paths are being cleared. This waiting is an act of grace, a sacred pause designed to refine, strengthen, and prepare both you and the soul destined to meet you. It is a time for deep listening and for trusting the unseen hand that guides all things. Your patience is a powerful prayer, a testament to your unwavering faith in a love that transcends immediate gratification. Embrace this sacred waiting, for it holds the promise of a love far richer than you can imagine. He feels everything, but he doesn't yet know how to express it. His heart, a landscape of hidden valleys and towering peaks, carries its own history and its own silent battles. The angels reveal that his perceived distance is often a shield, a protective layer built from past wounds, not a reflection of your worth. He wrestles with fears you cannot see and doubts he cannot articulate. His journey, like yours, is one of healing and growth. He is learning, evolving, shedding the old to make room for the new. Your presence in his life, even from a distance, stirs something profound within him, challenging his defenses and awakening a longing he may not fully understand. Understand that his resistance is not a rejection of you, but rather an internal struggle to embrace the depth of feeling you inspire. Your presence has already been an answer. You carry a light that heals, a warmth that melts resistance, a truth that cannot be denied. Without effort, without conscious intention, your very essence has touched the deepest parts of his being. The angels affirm that your power lies not in pursuing or convincing, but in simply being who you are, authentic, radiant, and whole. Your journey of self-love, your commitment to your own growth, sends ripples through the universe, drawing to you what aligns with your highest good. Do not dim your light for anyone. Embrace your inherent worth, for it is this unwavering self-acceptance that creates the magnetic field for the love you deserve. Your healing flame illuminates the path for both of you. True love does not bind, it guides. Both your heart and his carry echoes from the past, invisible wounds that shape perceptions and reactions. The angels gently remind us that these past experiences, though painful, are not meant to define your future. They are lessons, catalysts for growth, and opportunities for deeper understanding. His hesitations and patterns often stem from unhealed narratives, stories he tells himself about love and loss. Your role is not to fix him but to hold space for his journey, just as he will for yours. Recognize that the past is a teacher, not a prison. Allow its lessons to inform, but never to dictate, the unfolding of your sacred connection. Let love be the gentle guide, not the heavy chain. The angels whisper your name. The universe is like an orchestra, playing a symphony of signs and synchronicities, guiding you toward your destiny. Pay attention to the subtle nudges, the recurring numbers, the unexpected encounters, and the songs that speak directly to your soul. These are not random occurrences, they are divine breadcrumbs, leading you closer to the love that awaits. The angels are actively involved, orchestrating moments, aligning circumstances, ensuring that your paths converge at the perfect time. Trust these whispers, these gentle confirmations that you are on the right track. Your intuition is a sacred compass, attuned to the divine frequency. Listen closely, for the universe is speaking directly to your heart. You do not need to disappear to be chosen. In fact, your blossoming, your radiant becoming, is exactly what draws him closer. The angels reveal that as you embrace your authentic self, as you heal and grow, a silent transformation occurs within him too. Your journey inspires his own awakening, even if he is not consciously aware of it. He senses the shift, the deepening of your spirit, the unwavering strength of your light. This is not about manipulation or strategy. It is about the undeniable power of your soul's evolution. Your commitment to your own joy, your own peace, creates a magnetic pull that transcends words. Your transformation is a beacon, guiding him toward the man he needs to become to meet you fully. Trust the sacred timing. The path ahead is not always clear, but it is always guided. The angels assure you that every step, every pause, and every perceived detour serves a higher purpose. Your journey is unfolding exactly as it should, preparing you for the profound connection that is meant to be. There are moments when faith feels like walking in the dark, but remember, the stars are still shining above, even when clouds obscure them. Release the need to control every outcome and every timeline. Surrender to the flow of divine grace, knowing that you are held, protected, and loved. This trust is not passive, it's an active choice to believe in the wisdom of the universe. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. What is yours? The universe safeguards. There is a moment, a sacred confluence of time and space, when two souls destined to meet will find their way back to each other. The angels confirm that this reunion is not a matter of if, but when. The threads of your destiny are intricately woven, leading you both toward this inevitable connection. It is a recognition, a deep knowing that transcends words, a feeling of coming home. This love, this person, is not something you need to chase or force. It is a natural unfolding, a gentle drawing together of two hearts prepared by divine hands. Prepare your heart, for the universe is aligning the stars for your sacred encounter. Your crown of glory awaits. To truly receive the love that is meant for you, you must first embrace the exquisite vulnerability of your own heart. The angels whisper that true strength lies not in impenetrable walls, but in the courage to be seen, fully and authentically. Accept every facet of your being, the light and the shadow, the triumphs and the tender wounds. This radical self-acceptance is the most powerful magnet for a love that honors your entire essence. You are worthy, inherently and unconditionally. Wear your crown of glory, not as a symbol of perfection, but as a testament to your resilience, your wisdom, and your boundless capacity for love. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Zephaniah 3 verse 17.